Now, how do you see that it's impacting your business the way you expect? And how do you continue to optimize that strategy? Well, that's where the financing dashboard comes into play. We heard from contractors that getting financing data is difficult, especially if you use multiple partners. You're having to go to those partner portals, download the data, you're having to aggregate it. And if you have the resources, you might be integrating with their APIs directly and building dashboards. So a lot of time and effort just to get the data, and you lose a lot of the context of the rest of your business because you're outside of ServiceTitan. So we went ahead and built the financing dashboard, which will give you top level metrics like approval rates, revenue, close rates, all of that. We'll also go down to that technician level performance. You can see, are they building multiple estimates? Are they presenting?
Yep.
Are they offering financing? All of that at the technician level, so you can, look for areas of opportunity. And then finally, we mentioned, plans and picking the right plan. The dashboard has plan performance, so you can see how certain plans are converting. You can see if your technicians are all using that super expensive plan that you allowed them to use, and you can really, continue to refine that strategy and pick which plans to offer at which price points.